Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have had a fabulous week. Today I want to share how to make some simple Faux postage stamps. A couple of months ago I have done a similar video and I think we used the metallic hit and emboss, and I know you guys truly enjoyed this video. I will put the video link at the end of this one and also in the info box. This video is a video request from the lovely Jenny. Jenny is a VIP member of my subscription, and as soon as she got the paper, Jenny sent me a lovely email saying that these papers are the best she's ever seen so far. Thank you so much, Jenny. There is more to come. And she just asks, Jenny just asked if I could do a simple video showcasing how to make those, and I was like, yes, absolutely. And they're very quick and easy to make. Before I show you how to make those, let me show you the VIP papers for the month of June. Okay guys, so for June VIP lounge papers, I'm gonna show them in just a second. The inspiration was Wicked, the movie. To be precise, mostly the color palette. So the color palettes from these papers are mainly composed of burgundy and a green teal. Now, it was quite hard because I wanted to get a very strong contrast with a deep, rich burgundy with a very light teal and green. So with a touch, of course, of shabby and vintagey. So this kit is huge. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you all the backgrounds first and then the ephemera. So I'm gonna be a bit quick. So you get loads of backgrounds. You get this one here with a typewriter, the swan, and all the vintage ephemera. Again, the color palette, the colors blend, so you can use these papers together because they're designed again to be mixed and matched. Okay, there is a bonus page at the end which I'm going to show you with the air balloons. Love it. It's probably one of my favorite VIP papers that I have designed, and I put a robin here because I do like the red and the burgundy together as well. Then I gave you a couple of geometric motifs. Again, I kept the same colors, so it's green and burgundy, that you could mix and match. So this is one. This is two. It's like a damask, but like with stripes. I wanted to mix it. This is my original design. Of course, well, all of our, but I created this, these. So yeah, so that's one hot air balloon with the damask pages on the back. And then more backgrounds. So see these, I don't know if you can see it, but these are like 2 pages into one. Okay, so you can treat this as a journal page, or you can fold it in half to create a journal cover if you want. Another background, put some music, some pearls. So yeah, very shabby, very retro. There's another one there. Put a collection like frames and a mannequin with a little dress. Again, a contrast of geometric and flowers. You know, I obsess with contrast. I'm the man of the contrast. Right, so I gave you 2 pages. This is one, and there is another one on the back. When basically I scaled the backgrounds into 1 page. So you get 4 different backgrounds. That these, in my head, these are fabulous greetings card, because you can just fussy cut them and put your sentiment, or you can use them as a vintage cards, or you can fold them in half and they create like mini notebooks as well, which I think is they're quite cute. So you've got 1 and 2. Okay, so I put the geometric motifs as well, so give you some flexibility on how to use those. Tags, yes, we need some tags. So create a collection of tags. Stamps, so I've got some embellishment there, which we're gonna make some stamps and some traditional stamps. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a video because I know you guys like when I make stamps. We're gonna stamp it together. I'm gonna put some like a proper like postage embellishment. This is probably one of my favorite pages of the kit. I used the film strips to create some embellishment. We're going to do a video, separate video on this, because I've got some cloth, cheesecloth, and I want to make some more ephemera. You get another page with some pillow boxes. So design it this way actually. So this is the tab. I don't know if you can see it. There are some guidance that you need to fold it. Okay, and there as well. Can you see? And then that's the tab that you glue it together. Okay, and then bonus page is this one here. So you got a collection of 6 hot balloon that you can fussy cut it and create anything that you want with them. That's so cute. Again, very shabby, very retro. Okay, and then as usual, part of my VIP lounge, we are doing the gift box alphabet series. This month is letter N, so you get a page with the assembly instruction. Okay, so this is the letter N. Then you get the template. Okay, so this is the front, and because I have some space here on the page, I added some extra butterflies embellishment that you can use. So you got the N and the side. I've done a private video, so when you join, every month you get a private video that show you how to put this letter together. Okay, and that is the back. So that's the back of the letter. And then again, because I have a lots of space, I gave you 2 additional tags and 2 envelopes. Okay, but I'm going to show you what they look like when they're done up. Okay, so this is what the letter N looks like when it's all done up on 3D. And I've got here, oopsie daisy, I've got here the 2 pillow boxes all done up as well. I love them. I wish to receive a present in these super cute pillow boxes. They're very, very lush. I really like them. And these are the 2 envelopes as well that done up. Okay, but let me show you the rest of the letter. I got them in here. These are available on my website to purchase now. I had a lot of requests. Of course, my VIP members get them for free, but they are available on the website. I've got A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I've got G, H, I. Then we've got J, K, L, and every letter of course is different. It's got different design. Last month M with a circus, and then this month N. Okay, so this is the page with the stamps and embellishment, and then I've got here some book pages. They are very large book pages. So what I want to do, I'm going to ignore the frame. So just simply gonna cut each stamp and then glue them, because I want the words to be around it. And once that's done, then I will chop it using those scissors here. See the one with the scallop. Okay, but I'm gonna cut them all, and I think I'm going to use the large one. Yeah, because I think it will fit in here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the large one as well. Okay guys, so what I've simply done is gluing the square just around the words in, because what I wanted to do is when I cut the shape, I want you to be able to see the letters. So I've done the same on here and the same with the large ones. Okay, so when I'm going to fussy cut it with this, you'll be able to see all the words around it. Okay, so I've cut them. What am I going to do? I would like to... Let me get my sponge. I would like to distress the edges. Okay, I want them to be... Oopsie, focus on me. Yes. I distress all the edges and I'll be right back. So I've distressed them all. They're all here ready to go. I'm going to use this stamp here. I really generally can't remember where it's from. As you guys know, I put my stamps, I organize them by theme rather than organize them by brands. So I've done a video already when I showcase my DVD, how I stored my stamps. So let me just press it. Perfect. So I'm going to use a black ink because I noticed the brown on brown, you probably definitely won't be able to see anything. So if you use the black, okay, just this one here. I had these little mini pads for years and they're still going. So simply, guys, I'm going to make, where is it? Yeah. Just put the stamps in the corner like that. Okay, guys, so this is what they look like. Just gonna have a quick flip through. I love them. Honestly, guys, making these stamps is so easy. You just need any stamps that's got like this sort of shape, and any scissors they got that scallop edge, and you can make stamps out of everything. Okay, simple as. Okay, perfect. Guys, I'm going to go. I hope Jenny, I hope you like this video and just give you some more ideas. Guys, if you wish to join my VIP lounge and get everything on a monthly basis, let me show you where to find it on my website. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, guys, before we go, I just want to say a big thank you to Jenny for her continuous love and support, and also to every single one of the VIP members that every month trust me to bring goodies and entertainment to the email address. And then, as I said, if you wish to join, guys, you can do it any time of the month to get the current paper. And then if you fancy any previous papers, just send me an email and I'm sure I will be able to sort things out for you. Guys, I'm going to go. I will see you on Friday for a Friday freebie. And until then, stay safe and well. Bye.